Hello, you are welcome to SCJ Fashion Channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take your basic skirt measurement. So if you are interested, please watch this video to the end. And if you are coming across our video for the first time, you are most welcome. So please hit the subscribe button to join our community. And also, like this video if you find it helpful. Then share it to your social media platforms so that others will see it and watch it. And also YouTube will recommend this video to more people. Okay, now without further ado, let's get this video started. You will need the following two for this skirt measurement. Rope to tie on your waist and your hip. You need this rope. So I'm going to keep this thing aside. I will tie my rope. Keep this one here. I'll first time locate where you always put your skirt. If like me now, let me open my tongue. This is where I like to put my skirt. Then that is the place I'm going to tie. Okay, and ensure that it's firm, that is okay. Move your body so that the rope will sit very well. Okay, you see now it's okay. Then now you take this rope, you tie it at your hip. Let me turn my back. The fullest part of your hip is here. You can see this is coming, it's coming, it's here, it's full. Then start bending from me. So that place is where you tie the rope. Okay, just tie the rope there. Ensure that it is firm. Now that we are done tying the rope, first measurement you are going to take is around waist. Here, place your tape at that rope you tie and measure around. Whatever you have, ensure that it's tight. Then now breathe in and out. So me, I have 31. But now the next measurement you will take is your hip circumference. On this white rope that I tie, I'm going to place it on top. Just look at what I'm doing. I'm going to place it on top that rope I tie. Then I'll trace it. I'll trace it round. Just make sure that your tape is on top that rope. Okay? I'll trace it round like this. You see what I'm then the next thing is to do the sitting position. I'm going to take a chair. Sit down on the chair. Just have to do a sitting down position to ensure that it's tight and okay for me. Then I move my leg. Okay, you see it's fine for me now. Then the next thing to do is to move it down to ensure that it's comfortable. Move it down and take it back to that original position. See what I have. I have 14 inches. Then now the next measurement you are going to take is from your waist to that hip, the distance. So the distance I'm going to measure is, I'm going to place this tape, the tip, on top this rope here. So when I place it on top the rope, I'll take my tape down to where the rope is. Okay, just place it there. The rope is on 10 inches. Alright, it's 10 inches. The next measurement is the distance from your waist to your knee. That is above your knee. Let me climb up so you guys should understand what I'm trying to explain here. Now, if you measure from your waist to your knee point, when you are walking, you will have issue walking. I don't know if you guys have experienced it. So in order to avoid that, it is best to stop your measurement above your knee. Now, to take the actual measurement from our waist to our knee, place your tape at your waist, then measure down to wherever your hand reach. Then put your finger there and bend your upper part of your body. Note, I'm bending only the upper part. Okay, so you will get accurate measurement, not the lower part. Then from there now, you will move down to above your knee. Okay, whatever you have, that is your waist to knee measurement. As you can see in the video, mine is 24 inches. The next measurement you are going to take is from our waist here down to the full end. That is, you are making a long skirt. Okay, what we are going to do, we are going to take the tape, the leg of the tape, put it down. Put it down. So you see what I'm doing? I just place the tape down and use my leg to hold it. See, it's straight. So to take the measurement, I will look at the mirror in my front to figure out where the tape stops at the ankle. This way you get accurate measurement. Another measurement you need to take is your nipple to nipple measurement here. So you place your tape this way, measure from one nipple to the another. See, mine is 8 inches. So guys, that's all for this video. I hope you learned something from this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up, share this video, and also subscribe if I yet to do so. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video, where we'll be using this measurement to make a skirt. Until then, bye for now.